Hey traders, hope you all having an awesome weekend. So a quick weekend update for you guys, and I'm going to go through nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil. It won't going to be a very long video as my usual weekend video that is really long, as I'm working to record a lesson for my MMT course student, and I want to upload that lesson as soon as possible this week. I've been working on that from so many months, so I want that lesson to be uploaded hopefully this week. And also, we didn't have many setups last week and we didn't have many trading opportunities last week to take over trades. When there is no setups, it's always best to sit back and wait with patience to enter your trades once you see a good setup. And I'm also going to talk about dollar index DXY, the zone I've sent to the members, how nicely it reacts and how nicely it correlates with gold as well. So in this weekend's video, in the first part, I'm only going to show you a few trades very quickly. I took some losing trades, some winners, and why I entered those trades. So let's start with DXY, the dollar index I've sent to the members, along with the other zones that did not actually react from a level, and we did not got any conditions to take those trades. So when there is no condition, I do not take my trades. So now the DXY reacted nicely from the zone. As you can see right here, the price was at the area of value, and I've already mentioned, remember, that we're going to use this zone for the other market. If you are trading gold and if you're looking at dollar index, it is worth watching dollar index as well. So that time the price was here at the area of value, and I said that I'm now expecting a possible bounce from that area. So that has happened. The price was here and we had a nice signal from the dollar index right here, a bullish engulfer that pushed the price higher. And if you see here, the dollar got stronger, and when gold get weaker, the price pushes lower. So that was a good confluence to look at. I've added dollar index as well in the reports, so that if you are trading the other instrument that correlates with dollar index, it is worth watching that as well. And now I'm expecting dollar index to rise from here, as we had a nice bounce from the trend continuation zone that was broken. We had a push down, and now I'm expecting a good hit of the zone above, which is 106.8. It goes to 107.69, from where I'm expecting another push lower if not broken above. So I'll look for the condition here. If I have a condition like a bearish engulfer, something like this, or a 382 candle, something like this, only then we have a signal that price is going to push lower. If there is no signal, then means the price will likely break and push above to the next level of resistance. So that is what I'm looking at for dollar index next week as well. So keep an eye here for these zones if you are looking at the index for your trading. Then we had a losing trade, a heartbreaker trade right here. I sent in the priority group as well, that hit my stop loss and then pushes lower. That was a losing trade, and that is why I say all you need to see the entry patterns I sent the members right here. We had a nice bearish engulfer that happened below 50 EMA, but that didn't work out. But that was the exact same entries I look for the other pairs to take my trade. A very good example of that is right here, AUD NZD, exactly the same condition. Right here, a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, price has pushed lower. That has hit my first target right here, but I'm managing my trade till this zone. Please do not enter this trade at this point, otherwise it will hinder your risk to reward ratio. This is something I personally do, just to show you how I take my trades and how I manage my trades, as we have a zone below that is a level of significance. That is why I kept my take profit a little bit above the zone, so that once the price hit the zone, I'll come out at the good reward to risk ratio if the price pushes lower in my favor. Otherwise, I'm still managing my trade, and let's see how it goes. And then we have right here a losing trade, GBP CHA. By the way, this was a trade that was not sent in the group. That is why I want to show you this pattern. We had an exact pattern right here that we had in a losing trade I've just shown in GBP New Zealand. But if you use the group as a single group, then the results will be really bad. Now we had GBP CHF right here, a losing trade as well. The price pushes up, about to hit my take profit, but unfortunately that was a stop loss hit as well. A good example of bullish trade. Exactly the same trade happened right here on AUD CAD that hit my take profit right here, and that was a winning trade. Exactly the same condition above 50 EMA. That was a losing trade, but this was a winning trade, also sent in the priority group. So that is what I want you guys to look and learn to take your trades independently without following any signal providers or relying on any signal providers. Then I took this trade right here, GBP Canada. Right here we had a nice uptrend. The price is pushing higher. When you see the trending market, you always ride along with the trend. We have a good example right here, good winning trade. And last week we had a nice bullish engulfer. According to my stops and target, the price hit my take profit of 46 pips and then pushes lower. A good example of a pullback entry I've just shown. Exact entry condition above 50 EMA, above 20 EMA, bullish engulfer, a signal to enter your trades in a trending market. And that is how I take my trades. It was not a very great week like the last one, but it was still profitable in the end. All you need is to follow your rules. Right here, another trade, exact same condition, price is trading above 50 and 20 EMA, a nice bullish engulfer, and that hit 49 pips of take profit. As well, a good example of a nice pullback entry, something like this. And again, we had an exact similar condition here that hit our take profit. So I want you guys to look and learn this condition, the confluence, an uptrend above 50 and 20 EMA, and then we had a technical signal like a bullish engulfer. Everything is going with your analysis. Doesn't matter what, if it goes against you, you're still going to take exact same conditions in the market without tweaking your strategy if it is your tested strategy. So that's it for the first part of the video. I know it's not really long like I usually do. Like I said, I'm still recording a video for my students, and we didn't get any nice setups last week, and the price did not react nicely from the zones. I've sent to the members. I'm still waiting for the price to hit the zones to give us a good reason to enter the trade. Once I have that, I'm going to share that video in my next weekend's video as a weekly recap. So let's start analysis, starting with nat gas, gold, silver, and crude oil. So what do we have right here? As mentioned in my last video, I've said that the price has now triggered the aggressive entry, which is a 50% retracement. Right here, the order has been triggered if you use Fibonacci tool. Now at this point, if you are using Fibonacci tool as well, and if you have any confusion, the settings I personally use, just double click on it, and I only keep the settings right here on my Fibonacci tool, which is 0.382 retracement, 50%, 786. All you need to do, just check all these numbers you see on my screen, and then click OK. You will have exact same settings on a Fibonacci tool. And if you're trading on MT4 platform, you can do exactly the same, have same numbers there, and then you can use that according to the tool I use for my personal analysis if you follow me to do your analysis. Now, this is the exact same settings I personally use, and as you can see, the 50% retracement has been raised, and I've said that I'll be looking at 1.618 retracement to look for my second target, and price is now heading towards that, and I'm still expecting a price to hit 1.618 retracement, but it is worth watching the zone right here, the zone in green, which is a level of minor support. The support zone is right here, which is a valid area of value, and also a trend continuation zone, a zone that has been broken, and now the price is pulling back to the zone, and we can get a possible push up from here if not broken. All we need to see a signal. If we have a signal, then price action is telling us that I'm going to push higher. So all we need to see a signal from the price action. Once we have that, we know that we're going to take our trades according to that. So once we are in the zone, which is 3.004, goes up to 3.092. Once the price is in the zone, all I want to see a good bullish engulfing candle or a good double bottom condition if you are a less aggressive trader. If you are an aggressive trader, all I want to see a good bullish engulfer, a candle that must engulf the previous candle, including the wick in this area of value. Once we have that, we have a buy signal and a continuation towards the upside. And again, for the targets, I will only go 1 or 1.5 or 2 ATR max, and then I want to see a complete break above 50 EMA for my next trend continuation trades. For now, once the price hit my zone, all I want to see a bounce that is enough to hit my 1 or 2 ATR target, and then I look for the next condition if we have a pullback and break below, or if the price wants to continue to push up in a trend, it wants to break up above 20 and 50 EMA both to take our next trend continuation trade. So price is now heading towards the level of support, which is a minor support. All I want a signal to take my long trades. If there is no signal, we are not taking any trade. Now we can still get a pullback to 50 EMA or to 20 EMA. We can still get a pullback there as the price is still not in the zone. Once if we get a pullback and then we get another bearish engulfer, I will go another short trade. So I'm only looking for sell trades unless and until we are in the area of value. If we get a pullback followed by bearish engulfing pattern, once we have that, we're good to go short till the zone, and then I'll look for a buy condition from this area of value. Right here, exactly the same here on Ovanda. If you're looking here, we have a bearish engulfer, but that is not one of my valid condition as it invalidates one of my rule, but we are pushing lower nicely. We can still get a pullback of few candles followed by bearish engulfer. If we have that, we are good to go short. All I want to see a nice pullback and bearish engulfer till the price hit the next level of minor support, which is right here. 2.733 goes up to 2.798, from where I will looking to enter one of my buy condition, which is bullish engulfers, or my double bottom entry conditions. Once we have either of the condition, I'm going to go long, and that bounce is enough to hit my target and look for the next condition before the price falls, or if we are broken above 50 and 20 EMA, I'll look for my next buy trades. For now, I'm just expecting a bounce from this zone to take my long trades, and I'll use one ATR and 280 are for my initial targets. Right here on EMX, exactly the same price is now about to hit the level of support. I've redone the zone, which I'm going to share in a very short moment. Right here, I want to see a good pullback to 50 or 20 EMA followed by bearish engulfer till the price hit my zone below to take my next long trade. And the zone below, which is a green zone, it is 2.853 goes to 2.965, a zone that has been readjusted and a zone that has acted as a level of significance in the past. If you look here, a zone has acted as a good level of resistance, support, resistance, resistance, a support area multiple times. That is why I'm looking at this level to take my long trades if the price hit the zone below, if you are trading on EMX platform. So have these zones on your charts. Once the price give you a reason to enter. Reason to enter is very important, like a bullish engulfers or double bottom. A buy signal is very important, otherwise there is no point of trading. You are just gambling without any sort of signal. So once you see a signal like bullish engulfer, we are good to go long, and that bounce is enough to hit your targets. That is one ATR initially for your stops and target, and then you can manage it and see if the price break and close above 50 EMA for the trend continuations long trade. So keep an eye here, look for your conditions accordingly. Next one, we have gold. Gold is now pushing lower and broken below the level of support. At this point, all I'm looking at is my sell trade. We had a new low right here. We can get a possible pullback followed by bearish engulfer, and I'm only going to take sell trades till the price get to the next level of support, which I'm going to mention in a very short while. So for now, we can get a possible pullback either to 1965.12 that goes up to 1978.83. If we get a pullback, I'll still look for my sell trades with bearish engulfing condition. If not, all I want to see is some pullbacks followed by bearish candle and keep on taking shots until when? Until the price hit the zone below, which is 1869.54 goes up to 1887.82, from where I will look into enter my buy trades with a reason like bullish engulfers or my double bottom entry conditions. So keep an eye here. Once we have a conditions like this, pin bars is also one of my reason to enter. Once you see that, we are good to go long. For now, I'm not looking for any buy trades till the price is below all the EMAs or till the price hit my zone below with the conditions. Once we have a condition, we are good to go long or broken above 50 EMA dramatically. In that case, we have a change in trend. For now, just looking for sell trades. Now, before that, we also got a level of minor support. With the power of editing, I've just marked the zones. A valid zone which is 1904.86 goes to 1914.83. We can get a possible bounce from here, and then the price can likely head lower to the next level of major support. So have these zones on the charts as well. This yellow zone is my minor zone from where I'll be looking for a little scalp for buy trades before the price will head lower, if not reverse. So keep an eye, have these zones on the charts for your possible trades. Silver has broken below as well, and I'm not taking any trade for silver. We are below this consolidation now. All I want to see a pullback with bearish engulfer and keep on taking short for silver until the price hit the next level of support, which is right here. 20.49 goes to 20.98, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with conditions like bullish engulfers or my double bottom entry condition. Pin bars is also one of my entry conditions. For now, I'm not looking for any sort of buy trades for silver. All I'm looking at a pullback followed by bearish candle. Once we have that, we are good to go short for silver, as silver has broken below this consolidation and is a signal that price will likely head lower, and we can get a possible bounce from 22.03, a little bounce, and then the price can head lower. So we have no conditions for silver. All I'm looking at sell trade and sell opportunities, not looking for buy trades till the price hit my zone below, which I've just mentioned, to take another long trades. Last one, we have crude oil. It's now pushing up in a process of a pullback, and I'm expecting a price to hit 50 EMA followed by bearish engulfer. If we have that, we have a sell signal and price is likely to push lower, which is 71.95 goes to 74.02, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with reason like bullish engulfers or my double bottom entry condition. So this is just a pullback in a downtrend. We can get a possible signal below 50 EMA as well, or at 50 EMA. In either condition, I'll be looking for my sell trades only till the price is in the area of value to take my buy counter trade. So have these zones in the charts and your trades with the condition from this area for buy, 50 EMA, bearish engulfer for your sell trade. Once you see the condition, we are good to go for our trades. So before I end this video, I just want to mention that if you want to join priority group for free, you don't have to pay anything. All you need to do, just join one of my partner broker, and if you join them, the links are in the description of any of my video. If you just scroll down here, if you see right here the INFX, there's no commission account. Right here here we have a different type of accounts, raw spread account if you're a scalper, and then we have a very good account which is a pro account, and minimum deposit requirement is 2k for this one. Otherwise this is 1k requirement for these accounts. We have IC market as well, switch market, minimum deposit requirement is 1k for them, and once you join them you're going to receive these area of value every week for all the commodities, major commodities like silver, aluminium, we have copper, we have sugar, we have wheat, we have palladium, we have platinum, we have coffee, and then we have corn. All the commodities you see here, if I see a good setups of that, then I send these zones to my members, and along with that you get indices reports as well. All these indices which I'm personally looking for a good setup for the following week, and with that you also get a forex reports every week for 4 to 7 pairs, get some demand and supply zones. So once you join that you get all these, and you also get trade alerts 1 to 4 times a week showing you the trades, the exact way of entering, the way I personally enter my trade, so that you can know how we enter the trade without any guesses. And if you're trading any other indices, any other instrument, you can always check that charts with me or any confusion, trading related confusion. So all that are links in the description. All you need to do, DM me on Instagram, or you can email me at support@moneymarkets.net. So that's it I want to mention before I end this video. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.